Hi everyone, welcome to Jan's page. Today we're going to see Mother's Day card which we can make at home quick and easy. I will be showing you 4 different types of card. Let's go into the video and see what all we need. First we need some stickers, plain paper, any color of your wish, some color pencils, stickers, scissors, cupcake cases, smiley faces, stars, alphabets. I'll take a yellow plain paper and I'm going to write mum in each side, and we're going to leave some space in the center. As you can see, I'll be sticking a cupcake case. So the cupcake is ready. I'm taking yellow color and then do it upside down and firmly press it down. So we need, I think this is a little bit bigger, so we will just cut the edges off as I'm doing it now. Fold it, yes, fold it nicely and then cut it on the side. So how small you want, you can cut it that small. So see this step, we will be using this step in the next card as well. So remember this step, how to cut the cupcake to make it small. So see, this is small. Now I will just put some glue and stick it. Basically I'm going to make a nice smiley face inside this. Let it dry for a little bit, couple of minutes. This is one of the easiest Mother's Day card which I am showing. Toddlers can even make it with little bit help with the grown-up. So let this dry and I'm going to take wiggly eyes. You get this from any stationery shop. So I'll take the bigger ones. They come in medium, small, big. So I have taken the bigger ones. So just take which one you like and then we'll just put glue and stick it. After that we will put a smiley face. Yes, we'll put a smiley face and just raise. We'll draw some rays on the sides. Any color which you want you can draw, and I have written you are my sunshine. So you can put your own ideas, whatever you think. So the card is ready, let it dry. My next card is, I'm going to take a white paper and fold it from the center. This is a super easy card as well. This is sellotape, which is colorful sellotape which you get from any stationery shop. If you go to the craft shop like Hobbycraft or any craft shop online, you get this. And now cupcake cases, which I showed you earlier how to cut small cupcake if you want. So I've taken the original one and then small one and cut it and stick it together. So the flower goes, and that's it. A flower is ready for your mum. Mum, I love you. This card will need a bit more effort, so the bigger kids can do these cards. This is just a string, any string you have. You can also use twines or any thread, and then just freestyle it and stick it with the stick glue or any other glue which you got. Now I am going to cut heart shapes. So I will be sticking this heart shapes. You can draw anything inside the heart if you wish, and the same sellotape we will cut and we will stick it on the bottom of the string just to hold in place. So this is a heart bouquet greeting card. Yes, in it goes, and then now you can freestyle the heart shapes wherever you want. Just freestyle it and play around it. We'll just add glue and stick this heart. So it will be a nice heart bouquet ready for Mother's Day. I'm also going to add a little sticker which I got from the magazine. Just stick it on the side saying Mother's Day, 14th March. Happy Mother's Day. This is a final card which I will show. If you want, you can draw a boat as well, but I am just using a colored design paper and applying some glue and sticking it. So the boat is ready and we just need the water and the other bits to go on it. This is a pink sticker which I've got. As I told you earlier, you can also draw this circle, but I'm just using the easy method. Kids like to do these kind of sticking and cutting, so it will give them more fun. Yeah, the wiggly eyes goes for the mom and the kids. Card is ready. All the 4 cards you can see now: mom, flower card, sunshine card, and everything. If you like our video, please share and subscribe to our channel. See you again soon in another video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.